Hi, everybody. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I am alive and well myself. Still appear to be not experiencing any symptoms from COVID, but as a precaution, I will not be in work both today, Monday, and Tuesday. I'll be back on Wednesday as originally planned. So this first video, guys, is just a quick little set of announcements and kind of telling you how class will work today, and then you'll have a couple other videos to watch as well. So first of all, you guys are likely clicked here because that's the video you're watching right now. There is a Pear Deck again for today's class. You'll click on the respective link, so it makes it a little bit easier for me to grade those. As a reminder, I am going to be grading them and putting that into IC to both hold you guys accountable and to give you credit for the hard work that you're putting in. Very similar announcements to the other day. Again, if you guys don't finish the Pear Deck, hopefully you should have enough time, but make sure you guys do get that done if you do not. And then as a reminder, we are still sticking with the original date for a summative coming up this Thursday. And so I want to make sure you guys can get that glossary done by then. As a reminder, I mentioned this on Friday, but I will let you guys use some resources on that test. Namely, I'll let you use the glossary, which will be very helpful for this particular DBQ. And also on Wednesday, we will do some review. Or that's pretty much what we'll mainly do in class is kind of review concepts so that you guys can be ready. So really today and tomorrow are going to be kind of finishing up the content here on this Great Depression stuff. And then Wednesday will be all about refining stuff and making sure you guys feel comfortable. And that, again, will be the day that I'm back in person with you. So what I want you guys to do is for my AP students, you guys are going to go ahead and click on Edulastic. You guys have a video check to take care of. It is open notes, so if you have those notes, you can use them on this one. And it is 8 minutes, just be aware of that. And then as soon as you're done with that, you guys can jump into the Pear Deck, follow the instructions, and continue on with today's lesson. So hope you guys have a great day, and I'll be logged in, so let me know if you have any questions or need anything. All right, we will see you on Wednesday.